Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Ocean Challenge 2022. My name is Maria, and I'm your moderator today.
Deputy Minister Tsai, Dr. Wardell, distinguished guests and judges, student participants, good morning. 大家好. I am delighted to be here today at the launch of the 4th Ocean Challenge event, a joint effort between the American Institute in Taiwan and the Ocean Affairs Council. The purpose of the Ocean Challenge is to raise awareness among youth of the critical issues confronting our oceans. We want to inspire the next generation to think constructively about these serious and complex problems. To the students participating in this year's competition, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your enthusiasm and your willingness to get involved. I hope your participation in the Ocean Challenge has sparked even greater interest in the environment and in our collective stewardship of this planet. I encourage all of you to continue applying your creativity to solving some of the greatest challenges that confront mankind. Thank you. 谢谢大家.
AIT Director Alkirk, AITK Branch Chief Mr. Yu, Dr. Wardell, honorable guests, judges, and all participants, good morning. This year, we are honored to have Dr. Jeremy Wardell as our keynote speaker. Dr. Wardell is an oceanographer at NASA Goddard Space Flight Center, where he also served as the project scientist for the upcoming PACE mission. I can say for sure that his speech will broaden our horizons and inspire us with insightful perspectives. This year also marks the first time a new award has been announced when Best Proposal Award was added to the awards slate. The winner will have the opportunity to receive a grant of up to $100,000 NT to implement their proposal idea. I wish this year's Ocean Challenge event the greatest success. You all have a productive two-day forum ahead. Thank you.
Okay, so wave. Okay, now the next. Yes. Like this. Yeah.
My name is Jeremy Wardell, and I'm a satellite oceanographer at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland, in the United States. My presentation today focuses on phytoplankton. These are microscopic aquatic algae and bacteria that play similar roles to land plants. Specifically, I'll discuss how we observe the microscopic living and non-living ocean from space. And at the end of the day, this kind of science is just beautiful to behold. In many ways, it's artwork, which is why I will leave you with this comparison of the Northern Arabian Sea with a Van Gogh painting. Thank you so much for your time. Again, it has been an absolute pleasure to be invited to this, and I look forward to your questions.
Hi, my name is Haipu Chen. I'm here to share the experience of attending our ocean this time in Palau. I was selected as one of the 13 members of International Youth Delegate to join our ocean this time. And the other international youth delegates are from Cook Island, Canada, Egypt, Panama, Papua New Guinea, USA, etc. Learn a lot on this trip. I also contribute a lot of my unique experience for our ocean, and I hope you could do so.
Before we get started, let me acknowledge our judges for today's competition. Dr. Jian Hong Chen, Vice President of National Academy of Marine Research. Dr. Jia Ying Jessie Ko, Associate Professor of National Taiwan University. Dr. Chong Ling Chen, Professor of the National Chen Kung University. Dr. Ta Kwang Liu, Professor of National Chen Kung University. And Dr. Tong Yun Fan, Research Fellow of the National Museum of Marine Biology and Aquarium. Ladies and gentlemen, let's start Ocean Challenge 2022 presentations.
Throughout my research, I have encountered endangered animals sliced and scarred by fishing gear. What should be a safe nature environment for our marine wildlife has turned into a death trap. That is the problem we aim to solve with our Ocean Challenge 2022 submission. Don't let our waste cost go to waste.
Here is a render of a new Azure fight, which will complete in the coming months. We are training more operators and creating standard operating procedure right now.
Our target is oyster cords. Oyster cords are made of nylon, which has high value in recycle market. It can be used for making functional outdoor outfit. Currently, in Jiayi County, the oyster industry produces 1,375 tons of oyster cords every year. If we can utilize this material, then we can close the loop and create circular economy from the aquaculture waste.
With the model described in the previous slide, here's what's going to happen when every stakeholders are present. An oil spill occurs in the middle of the sea. Then the organization that caused the spill would contact cleanup companies that have purchased our apparatus. Cleanup ships would arrive at occurrence shortly after, separating oil, making waste oil bags, and leave them on the sea surface. Finally, nearby ships will be informed of the location of rubber bags equipped with RFID chips and go tuck them away and send them back on land.
In recent years, most people have a certain understanding of the ocean. We knew there was a lot of drifting trash floating around, and the trash would often be picked up on the coast. But have you ever wondered, where are all these marine debris coming from? And why is there an incomplete collection of marine debris every year? Doris and I were very curious about the question, so we started our investigation on this topic.
So we believe that awareness and prohibition are not the solution to this problem. We believe that recycling and reusing the trash is the key solution to this problem.
So obviously, our solution is to reuse these plastics in order to create a product. And our product that we'll be creating is construction material for houses.
Depollution. Why to use mass pollute the ocean? First, medical masks are produced and used greatly during the pandemic, but the discarded masks are thrown away carelessly and cause pollution.
Since the concept of mask recycling isn't popular and the pressure on both government and private enterprises is large, we decided to promote mask recycling bins and expand their functions to prevent environmental pollution.
Our goals are not only to find a place that can accommodate the current and future refugees, but also to combat with the depleted marine resources and the subsequent rising sea level.
Of ocean cities. As for us, a group of teenagers worrying about the internationally and locally environmental issues have come up with responses toward the problem, confidently hoping that we can make contributions to the future of our offspring and most vitally to our Mother Nature.
So our solution will be to create, install, and use infographics speaking against harmful tourist practices on the tourist beaches, and also using QR codes that connect to a website with further information on preserving the local marine life. We also plan to organize campaigns discussing the significance and method of preservation of Taiwan's coral reefs to accompany this plan, collaborating with the media and schools across the country to raise awareness. Through our plan, we hope to improve the preservation of Taiwan's coral reefs.
Our target outcome is many localities are easily accessible to implement Proposal 1 due to the simple form, reduce tons or more of marine litter. Cosmetics companies and brands can use Proposal 2 to promote products and improve product quality for customers, minimize the amount of chemicals from cosmetics into the environment.
In conclusion, our idea is maybe simple and it can't support people too much in protecting the oceans. However, with a strategy that prevention is better than cure, we hope that our contribution can help people to protect the environment as well as the oceans. And finally, all of us join hands to protect the environment because of a clean earth. Thanks for following.
Hi, everybody. We are Under the Sea. To solve this problem, we not only need to close the source of plastic flowing into the ocean, but also clean up what has already out there. To achieve this goal more effectively, we come up with the idea of creating an artificial cleaning machine called Chiwofin.
It is an application made to help people develop a habit of putting the litter in the right place. And as a result, a significant reduction in plastic is expected. So through eBlast, people can receive benefits from returning packaging of any products to the place they buy them from or from bringing.
So, what if there is an app that could help us combat this issue? So that is why we are here to introduce our mobile app, Serpihan Marine Debris Track app, or short Serpihan, a marine debris tracker app.
Environmental education is a very vital part in our project just because day to day we produce garbage and we do not know, or citizens don't know where their garbage ends up. International students from the IPSC department do environmental outreach programs at primary schools where they talk about environmental education, the effects it has to our marine environment, and also the effects it has to us as humans.
Oyster farming on floating frame uses oyster bed, floating equipment and ropes as the main structure, and the main waste are the raw materials of oyster bed and the styrofoam as the floating equipment. Bamboo oyster beds affect marine traffic and shore ecology when the useful life expires. Styrofoam cannot enter the biogeological cycle and will eventually return to the human body through the food chain.
Last year, we did an underwater investigation after the lantern released, and there are we found. And here are the problems we found. Water lantern styrofoam and spirit money cannot be recycled. The event is not open to the public, reduced public participation. The event has high cultural and historical value, but no complete record.
First, we decided to use an AUV because we want our device to be sustainable and capable of carrying out underwater mission in the most cost-effective way. Second, microplastic filter is inspired by the spatial structure for filter fitted in manta ray. Since protons manta rays have the same size as microplastic.
Our topic is applying multi-criteria decision-making and system dynamic to explore marine debris issues and design an environmental education process.
Deputy Minister Tsai, Dr. Wardell, judges, participants, and everyone joining us at this year's Virtual Ocean Challenge. Good afternoon. Thank you for all your support towards a very successful. I hope you will all continue applying your passion, energy, and innovative thinking to creating a healthier future for our oceans. Thank you.
Congratulations everyone for successfully going through the Ocean Challenge competition. I'm so pleased that you decided to join us this year. I must say, I'm very impressed by the presentations I heard over these past 2 days. I hope that this year's Ocean Challenge will be a sweet memory for all the contestants, whether you win the prize or not. But certainly not least, thank you all for your participation and congratulations to each and every one of you. Thank you.
And our first prize winner goes to Ray's family from National Taiwan Ocean University. Congratulations to all the winners. And our first prize winner goes to the Terminator of Marine Discarded Face Masks from Kaohsiung Municipal Ruixiang High School. Congratulations to all the winners. And our first prize winner goes to Indigo Waters Institute. Congratulations to all the winners. And our first prize winner goes to Sarah Han from Malaysia. Congratulations to all the winners. The winner of this year's Best Proposal Award goes to Indigo Waters Institute. Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you very much, and we'll look forward to seeing you all again next year.